Okay, so the first thing that I like to do when I'm moving stuff into a new space is just to get into the space and assess its challenges and what's working in the space. So in this space, this is my kitchen, and it's a little bit of a small space. So that's one challenge. And then on this side of the kitchen, where my sink is, this is really the only counter space that I have in the whole kitchen. So that's one challenge, is that I don't have very much counter space. Another challenge is that there's not a lot of storage in here. This is pretty much all of the storage that I have in here, the covered storage. I added this shelf when I moved in, as some place that I could reach, because another challenge was that the only shelves that existed were these high shelves that I can't reach, which might not be everybody's problem, but it's mine. And I also added this for more storage. Another challenge is that there's not a dishwasher, so I'll need to do something about that, which I guess doesn't have to be considered a challenge, but something to consider when you're setting up your kitchen.